Utirelo need to ask Tobile, having a good heart, trying so hard to be friends with your sister wives, it always end in tears. When a woman is dating your man, they don't care about you. They are here for your man, and some women thinks that your man loves them more than you guys. Utirelo, she was one on season 2 on his Tembo when Mpumelelo introduced Unosipho. Utirelo, she was the first one to go to comment section yak Anosipho, acting fine as if she doesn't care. When that time Mpumelelo wanted to pay maybe a bride price or whatever is going on lapana Mpumelelo and him, Utirelo, she was the first one to go and like the picture the ex-girlfriend yak Mpumelelo Unompumelelo guys, and people have been saying to Tirelo, oh Tirelo, no, these women, they don't care, they are here for Mpumelelo, not for you guys. When Amahle, she was here. One thing about Amahle, she's the Dlonkulu, the queen of leadership, guys. It has no time for Tirelo, guys. I feel like Amahle, guys, she studied Tirelo and she looked at her, she was like, this girl, every time when Mpumelo introduces a woman, she will run and act as if I'm fine, I'm okay, as long as my man chose you, I'm also gonna choose you. It doesn't work like that. When a man chooses a woman, you need to stay out of it, focus on yourself, love your man, because this thing of trying so hard, you end up hating yourself. So yesterday, unfortunately, just to remember, there was this alleged girl be dating Mpumelelo guys, you know what, girlfriend Pitori. Yesterday she posted a mini video, you know what, she was being rude to Tirel, and people are saying, Uguti, you know what, we've warned Tirel to say stay out of this, Tirel. We do understand when you're Motswana, you don't have a problem, hauna taba, you want to be a good hell, trust me, it doesn't work, it will never even work, guys. Sharing a man, it means you guys need to be enemy, guys. Just remember, Komalo try so hard to impress Umakele. Imagine Yena, she was a third wife trying to impress Odlonkulu. It ended in tears for her, guys. So if you're gonna be in a polygamous and then you're gonna behave like a Tirele, this is what is going to happen to you guys. You see Amahle, guys, she's living a nice life. She doesn't have to bother herself with anything that is going on. Yes, it has to see your man with another woman, but at least you are not friends with them. The more you try to be close to those women, they will teach you guys. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, say happy Saturday.